guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rita and I'm the cooking nurse, and today I'm going to be making a comfort dish that's so easy to make. I have tomatoes. I went to the market. You know how people buy jewelry? I buy tomatoes. If I go to the market and find a good deal of tomatoes, I am going to buy all of them, then figure out what to do with them when I'm home. So that's what happened. I have more of these in the fridge, so we're going to be making some creamy tomato soup. I have some sesame bread that we're going to be pairing it with, so that's what I'm going to show you how I do. So I have some tomatoes, I have some cashew nuts. These are not roasted. You can replace this with cooking cream. I have a red bell pepper. I have some coconut cream. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it or want it, but it's there just in case. I have some seasoning cubes. I have some thyme. I love when my tomato sauce, like the tomato based sauces, have some thyme in them. Then I have the onions, I have the garlic, and that's it. So we're going to chop these and roast them in the air fryer, and then I will show you from there what then we shall be doing. So let's get into the chopping. First time chopping onions and crying on camera. I've tested the salt is not so great, so I'm going to crumble in some seasoning cubes. This wasn't the recipe I meant to make, but there we go. I'm going to scour a little bit into the fish, and I am only going to season this with the salt and put it in the air fryer. Sometimes you also don't want to take away from the fish and its flavor. Oh, by the way, I started removing the gills directly before even cooking. So I'm just going to put this fish in the air fryer and fry it at 200 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes until it's crispy and not super fresh. And then I'll remove it and just put it into my soup and then bring it to a simmer, and it's ready to serve. We'll be having this with... recently someone had an interview with me and they asked me, how do you manage shooting with other people in the house? And fish can bring fries in it. We are going to be having this with some roasted plantain. Nothing too serious, so let's go. 25 minutes later, I'll see you. So we are going to set the timer at 25 minutes and the temperature at 200 degrees Celsius. So I'm going to return my fish into this tomato curry-like consistency, and because this fish was dry roasted, it's not going to have a lot of juices or anything at all. So I'll just cover this and let it simmer so that the flavors can get to know each other and the fish releases its own, the tomatoes also come together and we have a coherent sauce. So let me clean up my air fryer, peel my plantain, drop it in here to also roast while this is cooking, and we are ready to serve.